Hello YouTube. I got some, gonna start reloading 223 and again, I do it in batches. And I got a bunch of range brass 223 that I've picked up. And most of this 556 223 you're gonna find has a military crimp on the back. You'll probably see a kind of a ring around the primer, and that's the crimp to keep the primer from coming out. So what we got to do is we'll have to cut that out so that we can reload it. So what we'll do is first thing we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and deprime, resize them. So we'll lube 5 of them up and just go ahead and resize these real quick. These get a little oily on this lube pad, so I'm going to go ahead and put them over here on this little towel, and then I'll go ahead and just wipe the oil off of them. So let's go ahead and wipe the oil off of them, and after I'm done wiping the oil off, we'll just go ahead and we'll cut these primer pockets out. Now I'm going to start cutting the primer pocket out. First thing I got a reaming tool from Lyman, small primer pocket, and just going to run it through and just kind of take off any brass that's in there that's a little too small. Get this lube pad out of the way. And I'll do that to each one of these. I got some small shavings, not much coming off, but it's helping uniform the pocket. With this alone, using this tool alone, I've still ran into problems trying to get primers to feed into the back of here. So I take my inside-outside tool, and this is small enough for 17 caliber, and it actually fits in the back. What I'll do is I'll just run this in the back of this primer pocket and make a little chamfer to help feed and start the primer in. So just go ahead and put a little force behind it. You want to make a little chamfer that you can see around the edge, and that'll help those primers feed in there a little bit better when you're reloading. We're looking for a max of 1.76. This one's lower than that, so I'm going to put it in the done pile. If it's too long, I'll put it over with the trimmer to be trimmed. That one's short. Surprising. That one's long. Long. Right on the money. I'll go ahead and trim it anyway. Alright, so now we'll take these 3 that need trimmed. I'll go over to the trimmer and we'll cut these down. Alright, I got three here to trim. All you gotta do, set your trimmer for 10,000 thunder. The max, so this is 1.75. After we trim it, it'll make little rough edges, so you want to run the inside tool through it a couple passes. That'll help the bullets feed in, and do the outside tool, get off the burrs. And there we go. That there is all you got to do to be able to prep your range brass 223 so that you can reload it. Thanks for watching.